Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Apple Store for business. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So using the Apple Store for business involves leveraging dedicated tools like Apple Business Manager, ABM, for device deployment and app purchasing, and the Apple Business Store for tailored purchasing options. So ABM is going to be the central hub for managing Apple devices, apps, and users. So go to business.apple.com, just like that, and make sure that you are logged in or sign up over here if you haven't already made a account. And once you've done that, you will need a DUNS number, a unique 9-digit number for identifying businesses, and a verification contact, like example CEO, CTO, to approve the enrollment. Then you can add employees manually or sync them from Microsoft Azure AD or Google Workspace. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.